In part 2, we explored how Earth cooled down, oceans formed, and the first tiny organisms appeared. But Earth was still a deadly world. The atmosphere had no oxygen, the sky looked completely different, and complex life still did not exist. So how did Earth transform into a planet filled with animals, plants, and intelligent life? How did oxygen appear? And how did microscopic organisms change the future of Earth forever? Today, we explore the oxygen revolution and the evolution of life. Billions of years ago, Earth's atmosphere was toxic. The air contained carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and volcanic gases. There was almost no oxygen. The oceans were dark, hot, and filled with chemicals. If humans existed back then, they would not survive even a few seconds. But inside these ancient oceans, tiny microbes were slowly evolving. These microscopic organisms would completely transform Earth. The first life forms on Earth were extremely simple. They were tiny, single-celled organisms. Some floated in the oceans, while others lived near volcanic vents deep underwater. These microbes survived using chemical reactions for energy. Even though they were microscopic, they were changing Earth slowly, generation after generation. Then, one extraordinary type of organism appeared. Certain ancient microbes, called Cyanobacteria, developed a revolutionary ability. They learned to capture energy from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, these organisms absorbed carbon dioxide and released oxygen. At first, the oxygen disappeared quickly into the oceans and rocks. But over millions of years, oxygen levels slowly increased. Earth was beginning to change forever. Around 2.4 billion years ago, oxygen started building up in Earth's atmosphere. Scientists call this event the Great Oxygenation Event. For many ancient organisms, oxygen was deadly poison. Huge numbers of microbes died out. But other organisms adapted and survived. Oxygen also created Earth's ozone layer, which protected the planet from dangerous solar radiation. For the first time, complex life became possible. Earth's changing atmosphere also affected the climate. At one point, the entire planet became extremely cold. Massive glaciers spread across Earth. Scientists call this period Snowball Earth. Ice covered huge parts of the oceans and land. Life struggled to survive. But deep beneath the ice, some organisms continued living. And eventually, Earth warmed again. As oxygen levels increased, living organisms gained access to far more energy. This allowed cells to become larger and more advanced. Single-celled organisms combined together, forming multi-celled life. Tiny, soft-bodied creatures appeared in the oceans. These early organisms were the ancestors of future animals, fish, and humans. Evolution was accelerating rapidly. Earth's oceans became filled with strange life forms. Soft jellyfish-like creatures, worms, and early sea animals appeared. Some organisms developed shells for protection. Others evolved movement and hunting abilities. For the first time, Earth's ecosystems were becoming more complex. Life was preparing for a massive evolutionary explosion. Soon, one of the greatest events in Earth's history would begin. Scientists call it the Cambrian explosion. Hundreds of new species would suddenly appear across Earth's oceans. Complex eyes, sharp teeth, hard shells, and powerful predators would evolve rapidly. The age of advanced life was about to begin.